Even when scattered and forgotten, beauty finds a way to grow again, just like these purple hearts. Today, as I was walking around, I noticed something. My purple heart plants lying here and there, scattered across corners, under other pots, even fallen on the ground. They have grown on their own, some rooted in the soil, some just surviving with little water. The purple heart plant is a true symbol of strength and beauty. Its deep purple leaves shine even under harsh sunlight, and it grows easily from a single cutting. Whether kept indoor or outdoor, these plants add a rich royal color to any space. So today I have collected every single piece and bring them together in one pot. A fresh start for these little hearts of purple. Because sometimes even plants remind us, no matter how scattered life feels, we can always come back together and grow again. Let's start gathering them. Some of these plants have grown from tiny broken stems. They have faced rain, sun and dust, yet they are still shining with that deep purple glow. Every piece feels like a small miracle. Even when left on their own, they tried to live quietly, beautifully. That's what I love most about plants. They never give up. Now I am preparing a new home for them. While I am doing this, it feels like I am preparing a place of comfort, not just for them, but for myself too. I am taking some healthy stem cutting, about 4 to 5 inches long, and removing the lower leaves. I will place it directly into moist soil, pressing it gently so it stands firm. Within a few days, it will start growing new roots and continue its journey beautifully. For the soil mixture, I have added coco peat, garden soil, sand, vermicompost. Now it's time to give them their new life. I am planting each one carefully, making sure every stem touches the soil gently. I always feel this part deeply, as if I am giving them another chance. Each plant carries a memory, a story of where it came from. And now they will all grow together, stronger, fuller, and more beautiful. A little water to begin their new journey. It's like giving life itself, gentle and full of hope. Now they are all together, no longer scattered from different corners of the garden to one single pot of love. Now, when I look at this pot, it doesn't just feel like a group of plants. It feels like a story of patience, care, and new beginnings. Each of these purple hearts once lay scattered and unnoticed, but today, together, they create something truly beautiful. That's what I love most about gardening. It teaches us to slow down, to care, and to see beauty even in small things. Every plant reminds me that growth takes time, but it always comes quietly and with grace. Whenever you feel scattered in life, just remember these purple hearts. They didn't have the perfect place to grow, yet they found their way. Maybe you will all can too, with a little care, a little patience, and a lots of love. Thank you for being with me in this small moment of peace. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because every plant has a story and I can't wait to share the next one with you.